Welcome back, Plastic Travelers. Happy Friday. So today I'd like to talk to you about the Citi Custom Cash Card. Let's get into it. The first thing that I want to discuss today is the current sign-up bonus. Currently, you can earn $200 cash back after spending $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of account opening. You also get 0% APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Now there is no annual fee, and bonus offers will be fulfilled in 20,000 thank you points, which can be redeemed for $200 cash back. Now there is a disclaimer. Citi's policy is to offer only one Citi Custom Cash Card per customer, so keep that in mind. The bonus is not available if you receive one for opening a new Citi Custom Cash Card in the past 48 months. Let's look at the reward structure. So you get 5% cash back per every dollar spent on your top eligible spend category. Now this is up to $500 spent on each billing cycle. And these categories include restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming, drugstores, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, and live entertainment. And everything else gets unlimited 1% cash back on everything else. Now there's 3 ways of redeeming your points for cash back. So the first one is through a statement credit. The second one is through direct deposit. And the last one is through a check. Also, for those of you guys who want to possibly do a balance transfer to take advantage of the 0% APR, there's a few things that I wanted to discuss on that. So balance transfers must be completed in the first 4 months of account opening. Now there is also a transfer fee of $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. So just keep that in mind. Let's look at the rates and fees. So as I mentioned earlier, you get 0% APR for the first 15 months on balance transfers and purchases. After that, the variable APR will be 16.99 to 26.99% based on credit worthiness. There's also a cash advance fee of either $5 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance. The variable penalty APR is up to 29.99% for late payments or if payment is returned. There is also a foreign transaction fee, which is 3%, and there's a balance transfer fee of $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. Pros of this card. So the first one is that there's no annual fee for holding this card, and the second one is at 5% cash back on your highest spend category. You can accumulate points pretty quickly. Con of this card. So the con would be the 3% foreign transaction fee, as a lot of people travel overseas and would love to use this card outside of the US. My thoughts of this card. So this is actually a really good card. It has 5% cash back on your highest spend category, and it has no annual fee. However, this is not a good everyday spend card. If you get this card, my recommendation would be only spend this card on one specific category, preferably wherever you spend the most money in. So if you spend more money on groceries or on gas, or if you eat out a lot, I would choose one of those categories and I would put all of my spend on your highest spend category. For all other purchases, I wouldn't even use this card for any other purchases. I would use another credit card for that. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, Please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when a new video comes out. If you know anyone that may find this information helpful, please share this video with them. Lastly, if you're interested in applying for a new credit card, I did include some referral links in the description below. If you use one of my links, it would definitely help out the channel. Till next time, keep traveling with plastic.